Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Students, today's our topic is derivation of Nernst equation. So actually we have relation between the Gibbs free energy and standard Gibbs free energy, that is delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln K. This relation we have studied in 11th class. Now, so what is delta G? It is Gibbs free energy. And what is delta G naught? It is standard Gibbs free energy. So there is a relation between Gibbs free energy, or you can say change in Gibbs free energy, and the EMF of the cell. So that is delta G is equal to minus NFE. In this relation, delta G is change in Gibbs free energy, and number of electron, F is Faraday, and E is EMF of the cell. So if the standard condition is there, so we use delta G naught. So delta G naught is equal to, that is minus NFE naught. So E naught, that is standard single electropotential or standard electromotive force. So when we substitute these values, it means delta G and delta G naught in equation first, so we have this equation second. In this equation, R, that is gas constant, T, that is temperature, and Ln, that is natural log, and K, that is equilibrium constant, which is equal to concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. So now when we just substitute these values, we have this equation second, and then we multiply the whole equation by negative sign, and also divide the whole equation by NF. So when we just divide by NF, so the NF is cancelled, and we have this equation 4, that is E is equal to E naught minus RT ln K divided by NF. In this equation, that is ln K, that is natural log, so we convert into log base 10. So the formula that you have, ln is equal to 2.3 log base 10. So we just replace the ln by log base 10. So we have this next equation, that is E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT upon NF log base 10 K. Okay, so in this case, you also replace the K by concentration of product upon reactant. So final equation we will have E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 divided by N log product upon reactant. That is called as Nernst equation. So in this equation, you can understand E, that is electromotive force of the cell, E naught, that is standard electromotive force or standard electrode potential. Now N, number of electron which are involved in complete cell reaction. Now product, that is constituent product, and R, that is concentration of reactant. This topic is finished. We'll continue next topic in next period. Thank you.